Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in MyWisely account. So if you also want to log in MyWisely account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So MyWisely account is a digital account and mobile app that allows the users to manage their Wisely card. So if you also want to log into your MyWisely card, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar and type in mywisely.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of MyWisely. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. You can also activate the card or you can also enroll for the new card. So if you want to log into your account, simply click on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be redirected to new page. From here you'll be able to log into your account. If you do not have an account, you can also get started. Simply click on the option get started. After that you'll be able to sign up for your account. If you already have an account, simply click on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to log into your MyWisely account. All you have to do is provide the credentials that you can see right over here. First of all, enter your username. After entering the username, what you have to do is enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you have forgotten your username or password, simply click on the option forgot username or password. After that, you'll be able to reset them. Now simply scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find the option for login. All you have to do is click on it. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in MyWisely account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.